Air India Express B737 overshoots Kozhikode Airport on landing, falls into valley and break into two. Good morning everyone. You are listening Vinay Kumar, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. I am here to present you latest news of 8th August. This is from New Delhi. Air India Express flight from Dubai with 190 people on board overshoot the Kozhikode tabletop runway on landing there at 7:41 pm on Friday. The Boeing 737 fell off the runway into the valley, break into two and casualties are feared. According to flight tracking sites, the aircraft made two attempts to land in heavy rain before it did so in the third attempt when the accident happened. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation is probing this accident. Prima facie, the aircraft landed beyond the touch-down point and fell into a valley. It has broken into two. We suspect some casualties. More information is awaited, said a senior DGCA official. This was a Vande Bharat mission repatriation flight, an Air India spokesperson said. The Air India Express flight 91344 operated by Boeing 737 aircraft from Dubai to Calicut overshoot the runway at Kozhikode at 7:41 pm Friday. On fire reported at the time of the landing, there are 174 passengers, 10 infants, 2 pilots and 5 cabin crew on the board. Rescue operations are on. The passengers are being taken to hospitals for medical care. We will soon share the updates in this regard. Taking to Twitter, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh wrote, "Devastating news from Kozhikode, Kerala. I am deeply anguished by the loss of lives due to the accident carrying several passengers on Air India flight. In this hour of grief, my thoughts are with the bereaved families. I pray for the speedy recovery of the injured." Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar tweeted, "Deeply distressed to hear about the Air Indian Express tragedy at Kozhikode. Prayers are with the bereaved families and those injured. We are ascertaining further details." While senior BJP leader from Kerala, KJ Alphonse, tweeted, "Second tragedy of the day in Kerala. Air India Express skids off the runway at Kozhikode from portion splits, pilots dies and lots of passengers injured. All passengers evacuated. Very luckily, the aircraft didn't catch fire." That is from today. I Vinay Kumar. Come back with latest news tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.